Now exercise 2.6 question 5, find 2.5 multiply 0.3 decimal multiply decimal करना है, right? So first we will ignoring decimal and we do simple multiplication. So what we do, 25 multiply 3, 25 3 is 75, right? अब डेसिमल में आंसर रखेंगे 0.5 सॉरी 2.5 मल्टीप्लाई 0.3, राइट. यहाँ पॉइंट के बाद 1 डिजिट है, यहाँ भी पॉइंट के बाद 1 डिजिट है. टोटल कितने डिजिट हुए? 2. सो वी हैव टू मूव 2 डेसिमल प्लेस राइट टू लेफ्ट, राइट. सो आवर आंसर इज 75. सो वी हैव टू मूव 2 डिजिट right to left, 1 2 point. So our answer is 0.75. If 10 100 and 1000 is given, that time you have to move right to left. But decimal with decimal number हो तो आपको राइट से लेफ्ट तरफ मूव होना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज गिवन 0.1 मल्टीप्लाई 51.7. So we do simple multiplication. 1 multiply 517. 1 का 517 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन सेम आंसर आएगा, राइट. नाउ वी हैव टू काउंट डेसिमल प्लेस. हाउ मैनी डेसिमल प्लेस? हियर 1 डेसिमल प्लेस, हियर 1. टोटल 2 डेसिमल प्लेस. So therefore our answer will be 0.1 multiply 51.7 is equal to, right, first 517, 2 1 and 1, 2 decimal place we have to move left side, 1 2 means 5.17 is our answer. Now third is given 0.2 multiply 316.8. so ignoring decimal, 2 multiply 316.8. so we do simple multiplication. 3168 multiply 2, 8 2 is 16, 62 is 12 plus 1 3, 13, 2 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 2 is 6. so our answer is, by ignoring decimal, 6336. now how many decimal place are there? 1 here after here after decimal 1 place. so 2 decimal place we have to move left side. therefore our answer will be 0.2 multiply 316.8 is equal to, first write this figure 6336. now we have to move through 2 decimal place. so 1 2 point. so our answer is 63.36. now next is given 1.3 multiply 3.1. so ignoring multiply decimal, 13 multiply 31. so 13 multiply 31, 133 111, 10 plus 0, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 9 plus 1 10, 3 plus 1 4. so our answer is 403. now count the decimal place. after point 1 here 1 decimal place, here 1. total 1 and 1, 2 decimal place. so our answer will be 1.3 multiply 3.1 is equal to, right, first 403, 2 decimal place we have to move. so 1 2 point. so our answer is 4.03. now number 5 is given 0.5 multiply 0.05. now ignoring decimal, so 5 multiply 5, so our answer will be 25. therefore 0.5 multiply 0.05 is equal to how much? now count the decimal. here after point 1 digit, here after point 2 digit. so here 1 decimal, here 2 decimal, 2 plus 1 3. how many total decimal? 3 decimal. so we have to move 3 decimal point left. let's write first 25. so write here 1 2, third digit is not given, so I will write here 0, then point, then 0. so our answer will be 0.025. now number 6 is given 11.2 multiply 0.15. So we will doing some simple multiplication. 112 multiply 15. So 112 multiply 15. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6, 5 1s are 5, 10 plus 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 0, 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 1 6, 1. So our answer is 1680, ignoring decimal, right? Therefore, in decimal point 11.2 multiply 0.15. Now count the decimal. How many total decimal place? Here after point 1, here after point 2. So total decimal place is 3. So write first 1680. Now 3 decimal place we have to move. 1 2 3 point. So our answer is 1.680, and 1.680 is equal to क्या होगा 1.68. Then next is given 1.07 multiply 0.02. So ignoring decimal, 107 multiply 2. So 107 multiply 2. 7 2s are 14. 2 1s are 2. So our answer is 214. Now put decimal point 0.02. So how many decimal place? Here after point 2 digit, here after point 2 digit. So 2 plus 2 decimal place 4 decimal place हुआ. So I will write first 214. Now 4 digit we have to move left side. 1 2 3 4 not given, so I will write 0 0. So point. So our answer is 0.0214. Now number 8. 10.05 multiply 1.05. So first we will do simple multiplication. 1005 multiply 105. 1005 multiply 105. 5 5s are 25. 5 0 0. 5 1s are 5. 10 plus 0, so it will be 0. Now 100 plus 20 we have to put 155, 100, 100, 111. Now plus 5 2 5 5 0 1. So our answer is 105525. Now put decimal place. How many decimal place? Here after point 2 digit, here after point 2 digit. Total how many? Here 2 decimal place, here 2 decimal place. So 2 plus 2 4. So we have to move 4 decimal place left side. Therefore 10.05 multiply 1.05 is equal to, let's write first this 105525. Now 4 decimal place 1 2 3 4 point. So our answer is 10.5525. Now number 9. 101.01 multiply 0.01. So ignoring decimal, 10101 multiply 1. 1 का कोई भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे सेम आंसर 1010. Therefore how many decimal place? After point 2 decimal place, here 2 decimal place, total 4 decimal place. So we have to move left side 4 decimal place. Therefore in decimal 101.01 multiply 0.01 is equal to 10101. Now 4 decimal place we have to move 1 2 3 4. So our answer is 1.0101. Now next is given 100.01 multiply 1.1. So ignoring decimal, 10001 multiply 1 1. Now 1001 multiply 11. Now 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now 10 place 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. So our answer is 110011, right? Now how many decimal place after point 1 2? Here 1. So here 2 decimal place, here 1 decimal. 2 plus 1 3, total 3 decimal place. So in decimal place 100.01 multiply 1.1 is equal to 110011. How many digit we have to move? 3 digit. 1 2 3 point. So our answer is 110.011. Now this is the end of the exercise.